printer starts to hum. Layer by layer, the magic has begun. Resin flows like rivers, sculpting dreams from light, crafting mighty heroes to stand and fight. Colossus and Wolverine, on the battlefield they stand. Our fastball special in resin, mighty and grand. From comic pages to life, they rise up from the bed. An epic tale of heroes in 3 dimensions spread. In 3 dimensions spread. Pixel by pixel, the layers build the scene. Muscles tense in action, a sight to be seen. Colossus gleams in armor, Wolverine sharp and fierce. Together they storm the battle, ready to pierce. Touching every detail, from claws to metal sheen, the printer's symphony plays on bold and keen. Heroes of resin, born from